Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we're talking about SUI Wallet and how you can use it to interact with everything going on in the SUI DeFi space. As always, if you enjoy the content, please make sure to smash that thumbs up button below. Hit that subscribe button as well. And if you want to get notified about similar videos, smash that bell notification icon. And don't forget to grab your free copy of The Rise of Bitcoin. It is linked down below this video in the description. Grab it while it's free. It's my gift to you, and let's get into the video. So SUI has been on an absolute run over the past month or so, and as you can see from the chart here, we're currently sitting at a $2.22 price per SUI token, testing new potential all-time highs in the past couple of days, up 117% over the past 30 days alone. If we zoom out even further to the past 1 year time frame, you can see we've had a huge run up in price of SUI, going from prices around the 40 to 43 cents level up to above $2.22 here today. You can see that we did get up to all-time high prices back in March at $2.08, and we've broken through those in the past few days, getting up as high as $2.22, where we are sitting today. So SUI has been on a fantastic run, and if you're not familiar, guys, with what SUI is, SUI is a layer 1 blockchain solution. So it's intended to be a competitor to other layer 1 solutions like Ethereum, like Solana, like Bitcoin, like Caspa, etc. And there has been an entire ecosystem built out around SUI over the past couple of years. And again, we've made tons of videos about SUI on the channel going back for the past 8, 9, 10 months. You can check all those out. We've done SUI price predictions. We've done other updates for the entire SUI DeFi space as well. You can check that out, but they are aiming to be an extremely high throughput blockchain with very, very high transactions per second. So you can see here, they're quoting up to 297,000 transactions per second on the SUI blockchain. And again, we're seeing a lot of development happening, and a lot of things are reminding me of the Solana of 2020 and 2021 when it comes to SUI. So, could SUI potentially be the Solana of this cycle? Definitely we're going to have to wait and see, but there's a lot of exciting stuff happening on the SUI blockchain and being built out within the SUI ecosystem. So, we want to talk about SUI Wallet on today's call because, typically speaking, you're going to need a SUI wallet of some sort in order to interact with all of the different protocols within the SUI DeFi ecosystem. First and foremost, though, you're going to need to buy some SUI in order to interact with DeFi protocols, and you're going to then need to send it to your SUI wallet. So again, Femex, guys, is a great place to check out and buy SUI. Again, if you come over to the markets area on Femex, you're going to be able to come in here and you can see that SUI is available on the Femex cryptocurrency exchange. You're going to be able to buy SUI with US dollars with your native fiat currency. Obviously, once you send it into your account and you fund your Femex account, you're going to be able to buy SUI directly on Femex. What you then need to do is you need to send your SUI from Femex or the centralized exchange that you're using to your SUI wallet. So what is SUI Wallet? Well, SUI Wallet is a native SUI wallet. It's taken the name very literally, but it is an application that you can use in your browser or, in your mobile app like your Apple device, your iPhone, or on Google Play. And you can use it in order to interact with other decentralized applications on the SUI blockchain. You can see here, I've got the SUI wallet added in my Chrome browser using the Chrome extension for SUI Wallet. And one of the great things about SUI Wallet is that it uses single sign-on for you to create your wallet and makes it very easy to quickly get up and running and interacting with the SUI blockchain. So you can see here we've got a few SUI in our wallet, and we're going to show you a couple of examples of how this can be used and interacting with other DeFi protocols on SUI. But SUI Wallet is my wallet of choice for the SUI blockchain. You can check out their website here at suiwallet.com. But for all intents and purposes, when you purchase SUI on a centralized exchange like Femex, you're going to be able to withdraw that, use the wallet address here that's generated within your SUI wallet, and use that to fund your SUI wallet and be able to send money directly over there to start interacting with DeFi protocols. So why are we talking about all this? Well, there's a number of different decentralized applications, DEXs like Turbos here on the SUI blockchain, where, for example, you can use the SUI in your wallet. You can see we're connected here with our SUI wallet on Turbos, where we can interact and we can exchange our SUI for other tokens. We can also earn by providing liquidity here on Turbos decentralized exchange. We can provide liquidity to different trading pairs like SUI USDC. If we come in here to add liquidity, if we wanted to provide liquidity at a certain trading range here, let's say 12% below, 14% above the spot price, you can see it's currently quoting us 316% APR for providing concentrated liquidity on the Turbos decentralized exchange. And we can do that by depositing funds into this particular pool directly from our SUI wallet. We've got other protocols like Navi protocol here on the SUI blockchain as well. If we launch Navi protocol, we can see that Navi is a lending borrowing market for the SUI blockchain. Again, you can see total supply and total borrow noted here above. Again, if you want to earn extra yield on the SUI that maybe you're holding as part of your bull run bag already, you can come in here and you can supply SUI directly on Navi protocol, and you're going to earn an extra 4.2% APY. But again, one of the biggest benefits here of using a lend borrow protocol like Navi is that, we're not going to get an amazing yield. We're going to get 4.2%. But we can supply the SUI here that's in our SUI wallet. We can earn that 4.2%, and then we can actually come in and we can borrow against the SUI that we're supplying as collateral. So if we come back to the markets area here, if we were to supply the SUI in our wallet here at, let's say, about $800 worth of SUI, if we supply that on Navi Protocol is going to allow us to borrow stablecoin like USDT against that $800 worth of SUI. I think they'll let us borrow up to 70 or 80% loan to value ratio. I don't recommend going that high. I recommend going, closer to 30 or 40% loan to value ratio, which means if we were to supply $800 worth of SUI, we could borrow up to, $300, $350 against that. We could then use that USDT that we borrow against our SUI to purchase even more SUI and thereby lever up our position and gain even more exposure to SUI if we are bullish on the network, if we are bullish on the token, and we believe it's going to increase in price over the next 9 to 12 months. So again, you need to be using a wallet like SUI Wallet that interacts and is native for the SUI blockchain in order to use protocols and decentralized applications like Navi and like Turbos. Again, other DEXs like Cetus.zone on the SUI blockchain. Again, we can come over and do the same stuff here. We can trade and swap different tokens that are native to the SUI blockchain, and we can also earn by providing liquidity to pools on Cetus, just like we can do on the Turbos DEX that we looked at just a moment ago. And once again, SUI Lend, another lending borrowing protocol similar to Navi that we were just looking at, will allow us to supply SUI. You can see the deposit APR here is slightly higher than Navi right now. We can earn 4.39%. And again, we can borrow stablecoin like USDC. The rate here for the borrow rate is going to be 21%. That's a little bit high right now, but to borrow USDT is even lower. You can see here at just 3.35%. So again, lots of opportunities to use decentralized protocols and decentralized applications on the SUI network. We are going to need to be using a SUI native wallet, just like SUI Wallet. In my opinion, it's a great wallet. It works very quickly. You can send funds directly from a centralized exchange, just like Femex. They arrive in your SUI wallet in a matter of seconds. If anyone here has been interacting with the SUI blockchain, you'll know that it is actually very quick when you're sending and executing transactions. And there's a whole host of applications and protocols just like the ones we've mentioned, Turbos, Navi, Cetus, SUI Lend, that you can interact with and, take back control of your financial future. Use these protocols to, lend, borrow, to supply liquidity, to earn yield. There's tons of different stuff you can do within DeFi and within the SUI ecosystem. So that's it for today's video, guys. Just wanted to put together a very quick review on SUI Wallet specifically. It's a very simple to use, easy wallet. You can check it out. I'll leave a link in the description for SUI Wallet as well. And you can check out Femex Exchange for purchasing SUI yourselves. And let us know if you've got any feedback in the comments below. As always, if you enjoy the content, please make sure to smash that thumbs up button below. Hit that subscribe button as well. And if you want to get notified about similar videos, smash that bell notification icon. And don't forget to grab your free copy of The Rise of Bitcoin. There's a link for this book down in the description below as well. It's completely free. Grab it now, and we'll catch you in the next one.